Welcome back. We have Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar now joining us for technical trades. The market, of course, yesterday gapped down but recovered and closed actually at the highs of the day. And this morning, the SGX Nifty is indicating a bit of a gap up. Gentlemen, good morning. Sudarshan, you made this point yesterday that the long trade may have got stopped out. But we saw that reversal in the market. So now is that long trade back? And if we get a gap up, do you take it?
Yeah, good morning, Anuj. Yes, what is happening is the market is giving us a different message every day. Now, today, the long trade is back because yesterday the markets were closing at their highs and there's a gap up and there is a conducive worldwide stock market environment. I think the gap up is still a buying opportunity. Now, just above the gap up, somewhere around 17,775, 17,800, there is resistance. So, the best trade would be to look for a small intraday dip or consolidation, go long and add to your positions if that resistance is taken out. If the Nifty breaks above 17,800, add to your positions, but stay on the long side. There's a very interesting possibility that we could break on the upside, and the Bank Nifty has been outperforming. Yesterday it had a narrow range day, so it's a buy on a dip or even a buy at the opening price with a stop under 39,200. So both are buying opportunities. For the Nifty, the stop is 17,600 to start with.
Okay, 39,200 on the Nifty and 17,600. Sorry, 39,200 on the Bank Nifty and 17,600 on the Nifty. Of course, you'll have to adjust them a bit if the gap up is a bit stronger than what the S6 Nifty is indicating for now. Mitessh, good morning. How would you approach Nifty and Bank Nifty today after the gap up?
Good morning, Anuj. My sense is that we're still stuck in a range, so I'm not looking at a big breakout happening as yet. I think 17,750 or at the best 17,850 will come into play at the upper end of the range. So you will see supply emerge just like you've been seeing demand emerge at the lower end of the range. So I think this is still a market which is contracting. We don't have signals of a breakout as yet, so we'll hold our horses. But I think still trading with more long buys with a lot of sectors, mid caps particularly, then cement and other sectors are showing signs of breakout and starting trend, which will see the stock price move up from here. Eventually, I expect the Nifty to break on the upside, but immediately, I think, in the short term, I'm not very positive to buy closer to about 17,750. I think my buying zone is closer to 17,450.
Okay. What about individual stocks? Mitessh, what are you looking at?
Yeah. So I have all buy calls today. Bata India is a buy with a stop at 1903 for targets of 1980. I mentioned cement, so Dalmia Bharat is a buy. Keep a stop at 1580, look for targets of 1655. A buy on Cipla with a stop at 1039 for targets of 1080. And First Source Solution is a buy with a stop at 111 for targets of 120.
Okay, First Source did well yesterday as well. Mitessh, thanks for those calls. We'll revisit your calls at 9:10. Sudarshan, what are you going with in terms of individual stocks?
Well, I'm also going with Bata India. I think we see the same charts. Bata India is a very attractive buying opportunity. Stop under 1867. Coal India is a buy. If you see the charts for Coal India, the stock never corrected. It just goes on, consolidates and keeps on going up. That's a very strong outperformer. And outperformers should be bought into. So buy with a stop under 232. Just to balance it, Intellect is an intraday short. You don't have to short it immediately. If you see some weakness, go and short it. Stop above 608. And Petronet is another stock similar to Bata India, making a narrow range on the verge of breaking on the upside. That's a buy with a stop under 213.